Hello, this is Anna Maido from ISA 4220 in the fall of 2020, and today I'll be presenting the IMAP and DNS. We start with the technical side, then followed by the hardening recommendations. We'll first begin with the overview of IMAP. Then we'll answer the question of what is IMAP, and then look at the hardening side of the technique. Then we'll also look at dev code, which is used in Linux. Then we also discuss and look at DNS and answer the question of what it is about, how does it work, and the hardening techniques and recommendations on ISS, Windows, and bid Linux. So, what is IMAP? IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, is an application layer protocol that regulates and manages email boxes and allows them to be managed by multiple clients. It was first created in 1986 and it started off as a remote mailbox protocol. It was then debuted in 1988 and then followed by IMAP 3 in 1993. IMAP uses port 143, which is non-encrypted port. IMAP over SSL or IMAPs uses port 993, which is a secure port. IMAP went through a few changes before it got where it is today. So we go over the IMAP technical side and then the hardening side. First, manage active accounts and disable inactive accounts. Also, ensure that passwords are strong and are unique, and that they are changed or updated regularly. It is a good idea to avoid opening unrecognized email. Also, it is a good idea to enable IMAP services on Exchange 2013 and verify that secure login is enabled and configured. Starting the services and then set them up to automatic startup. Enable SSL certificate for IMAP services. It can be the same or separate certificate that is used for HTTPS, since the default self-signed certificate is unlikely to be fitting and it will cause certificate trust warnings for clients. Also, you want to restrict submissions to distribution lists and backup your Exchange server periodically. Also, make sure that you keep an audit of your Exchange server. Now we will go over the DNS origin and the technical side of it. The DNS has been in use since 1985. DNS means domain name system, is where the host name are taken and converted into numerical addresses. It works similar to a phone book and uses all IP addresses that you can use to route data from your server to your client and vice versa. It is the central part of the internet and it provides you with matching names to the numbers. That is the website you're seeking and its IP address. The new domain name or updated servers take about 12 to 36 hours. It is updated worldwide and can be accessed by other people. This period is known as propagation. We'll finally go over the handling recommendations of the DNS. First, it is recommended that to remove or disable all unneeded services. Then update your servers often and regularly. Limit root access or administrative access so as to limit who can access the servers and make changes through properties and settings. Prevent DNS server from having open resolver configurations. That is, anyone who could send DNS queries to the server. Then disable recursion, which means the server will look up IP address or URLs on behalf of the client using the server, and to do that will lead to your server requesting or contacting the hacked and dangerous IPs or URLs without the user knowing, which is not safe. Then here are the references that I use for this discussion. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.